Alrighty, it's our turn now. So I'm here at Blue Beacon, and they wanted me to shut the reefer off in order to wash it. So I was like, shit, man, I don't want to shut the reefer off, you know, because it has the tracking on there. And he said, no worries, we can just rinse it off for you, it'll be free of charge. And I'm sitting there, I'm like, they're rinsing it off, and then I'm like, shit, man, I waited for like 30 to 45 minutes to get in here. I'm just gonna shut it off. It'll only be for like 5 or 10 minutes. I don't think anything's gonna happen, so. But yeah, these guys are good. I wish I had just washed it at home, but it is what it is. Thank you. Alrighty. We got the Blue Beast finally washed. Looks pretty good so far, but you can't really tell how good or how bad of a job they did until the truck dries. Well, I don't know if you can see that, but $3.38 at Flying J here where I am, and just a couple miles up east away from me is $3.83. So we're gonna go ahead and fill her up right here. Reaper seems to be running good. No death for me, my friend. Not no death shit today. I went too far on this side. I gotta back up a little bit. Let's stop this one first. We're not gonna hang it up. Just gonna leave it sitting right there. Okay, let's do that again. Whoop, 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 whoop. No, fuck. I hit this stupid thing by accident. Now I gotta restart the whole freaking pump. Ah, freaking idiot. Well, I have to say that these southern folks are very freaking nice. All right, well, truck looks pretty clean. I'm very happy with the job they did. And the trailer is very shiny. So thank you, Blue Beacon, very much. Exit 369, just off of Interstate 40 here in Knoxville, just outside of Knoxville. Well, it is Knoxville, but it's on the west side of Knoxville. So thank you, guys. Woo, it's shiny, bro. I need the sunglasses, man. That is one shiny hiney, as Kurt would say, from Trucking with Schmidt. That's a good guy. I like that guy, man. I really do. We got more than half left. I should have wore some gloves. Don't be an idiot like me, guys. Wear the gloves, buddy. Oh, that's not where it goes. Wrong hole, man, wrong hole. So I get, with RTS fuel cards here at Flying J, I get 55 cents discount, which is not freaking bad if you ask me. Oh, come here, buddy. All right, let's pull forward so the other guys can fill up. But pulling forward always scares me. Always scares me that somebody's gonna take my hood off. Oh yeah, buddy. Very nice. All right, look at that shiny trailer, brother. And that shiny truck. I wonder who's driving that nice looking truck, man. What a lucky bastard. Alrighty, let's get going. We got about 3.5 hours to get there if we don't run into some kind of delay somewhere, but still gotta go across 3 or 4 snake houses or / revenue collector centers.
Head southeast toward Everett Road, then turn right on Everett Road.
Oh my god.
Right on
Hello? Hello? Fuck off. That's the scammers calling me. They call me like 30 or 40 times a day, which is very freaking annoying. Calling me, asking me if I have Medicaid, offering me death benefits, offering me this and that. And all of them have accents from India. So I'm sorry to all you Indian guys, but please tell your cousins to stop calling me. Alrighty, here we go guys, here we go. We got a revenue collection center coming up over here in Knoxville. But hey, I don't know what we're gonna do about that one. I don't know if we're gonna pull in or if we're gonna run it, but I'm not gonna go around it. I think I'm just gonna pull in because I'm not very heavy. And I think everything on my truck and trailer is perfect. That's what I think. I don't know. I don't know for sure. But like I was saying earlier, I mentioned Kurt Schmidt from the Trucking with Schmidt channel on YouTube. I watch that guy all the time. All his videos. I watched like whenever, before I started making these videos, I started watching his videos. I was like, shit man, maybe I can do that too. And thanks to you, Kurt, thank you brother, I started making these videos. Also, thanks to, what is her name? Roadrunner Naya. Thank you lady, young lady. And also another Prime driver, Slime Pack Nation, something like that. Roadrunner Naya runs for Prime, and also the Slime Pack Nation. But it's something else, Slime Pack Nation, something like that. She also runs for Prime. Thank you guys for motivating me to start making these videos. But a special thanks to Kurt Schmidt. I like that dude, man. He is he's very old school like me, but he is much nicer. He goes about saying stuff a lot nicer than me. I don't have any kind of filter, so I say what's on my mind immediately. He's trying to keep it family friendly, and his channel is family friendly, so anybody can watch it, kids, adults, whatever. But mine, I don't know, I would not suggest it to kids, to be honest with you, but hey, whatever you guys want to do. Revenue collection center. Oh yeah, all trucks use right lane. Shit. My pre-pass is all the way in the back. I wonder if it's gonna scan it. But you can see that other guy trying to run it. He's over there in the center lane, and he is just kind of chilling right there. He's getting covered up by another truck, so that they cannot see him. But if this guy goes, I'm going too. I can't really hear my pre-pass or anything, but hey, looks green to me, buddy. Looks green to me, my friend. Please do not come after me. I would much appreciate that. State of Tennessee. Oh, buddy, there's a lot of freaking chase cars over here. Please don't come after me. Do not do this, guys. Do not do what I'm doing. Okay, I am doing some very dumb stuff that can cost me a lot of money. But hey, sometimes it has to be done, man. Maybe I should exit right here on this exit and kind of chill there for about 5-10 minutes until the heat rolls on by. Get out of my way, car! See, I'm trying to run away from cops, bruh. Yeah, buddy, you're laughing now, but you wouldn't be laughing if they pulled your ass over. Freaking dumb idiot. $173 miles left. You know, a lot of times I don't trust those reviews that a lot of truck drivers leave because, like I said, angry truck driver will go and leave a bad review for your ass. But if they're happy or somewhat happy, they're not gonna do that. But for some reason, this place where I am going, it is Food Lion Distribution Center in what is it? Greenville, North Carolina. For some reason, I believe those reviews. And when I was talking about the guy yesterday, he said, yeah, the place is very small. I thought it was a trucking terminal, but they do have a trucking terminal right there, but you don't deliver there. You deliver across the street to a big building. And the guy that was saying his wife is like U.S. Marshal, then DOT, then this and that, blah, blah, blah. He said that it's a very small place. They only have like 3 dogs, but it's not true. They have like 50 dogs. So, yeah, I don't know. I'm sure I'll see that guy again there because he said he comes there like 2 or 3 times a week. You know, I will make sure that I tell him, buddy, you should stop some of the bullshit, my friend. Oh, the life would be so much better if this cocksucker would get out of center lane so I can get going. Oh, well. He's going close to 70 miles an hour, so he's good. There's nobody behind us right now. Okay, is this our chance? Is this our moment to pass this motherfucker? Yeah, I think it is. Bye-bye, cocksucker. Freaking jackass. You hear that? That rattle is coming from my steering wheel. And it is so freaking annoying, man. Notice no trucks 3 axles or more left lane ahead. My truck identifies as 2 axles, buddy. So we are gonna be going in the left lane if we have to, or maybe. But anyway, that freaking rattle is driving me crazy. It's coming from my steering wheel somewhere. I took all the plastic around it off and it's still doing it. So next thing, what I'm gonna do whenever I come down to where I'm going, to Greenville, here in about 2 hours and 15 minutes, we're gonna take the steering wheel off and we're gonna see what's going on. Try to fix that because it's driving me crazy for some reason. You know, this part of Tennessee is very beautiful, very scenic. A lot of hills up and down, a lot of curves. I think they call this the Gorge or something. I don't know. I am not sure, my friend. This road right here is something else, man. Look at these freaking mountains here. We got, what is this, Pigeon River on our right over here. There's people whitewater rafting, which is pretty freaking cool. I wouldn't do it because I can't swim very far. I mean, I know how to swim, but I just, you know, I run out of breath because I'm fat. You fat fucker. All right. Oh, we are in North Carolina, by the way. Yes, sir. Short and sweet, just like my wheelie. All right, get her done, buddy. Can't believe I just said that. All right, well, looks like we are gonna have to go in the left lane after all, because right lane is closed, my friend. I am so glad I came this way, man. I was gonna run down 24 to 75 through Atlanta and then run over to South Carolina from Atlanta, but I am very glad I did not do that, because this road right here is amazing. right here, this thing, if you see this thing, this takes a picture of us, of specifically truck drivers. If you are holding your phone, it will send you a ticket in the mail. So you gotta be careful. Or actually, what it does is, you see they put it right here before the revenue collection center. And what it does is sends them alert that you've been on your phone, and they give you a ticket right here on the scale, or pull you over somewhere down the road. Oh, it's closed. Looks like my lucky day. Very nice. Well, it says that they were open, but maybe they got somebody in there doing some inspection on it and they closed it down. Interesting. No, it's empty. Well, there's one. It's just a scale master, or cocksucker as I call him. I think this is Asheville, North Carolina, or just east of Asheville. We are getting on Interstate 26 east, buddy. Oh, you're gonna change your mind at the last time, little buddy? He's okay. I'm not even mad. Which is very surprising. Alright, we got 63 miles left, my friend. 63 miles. Well, I'm not sure what to do here, to be honest with you. I'm trying to figure it out a little bit. I can take this Interstate 26 all the way down to Interstate 85 and cut over to Greenville. That's gonna give me 75 miles. Or here in about 15 miles, I can get on US 25 South, and that'll put me at 57 miles, and it will also bring me down to Greenville. But I'm not sure what this US 25 is like, buddy. It might be very freaking bad or something, but I think we're gonna go on US 25. It's daylight, and if there's mountains or whatever, I think we'll be okay, because we're not very heavy. Alright, welcome to South Carolina. And as soon as we get in, 6% grade. temperature check, still holding 34.7. Alrighty, short break. Place is called Travelers Rest, South Carolina. They have a really good freaking smelling chicken in there, bro. Fried chicken, but I don't want to eat it. I'm trying to lose some weight, and it's expensive, thank God. 2-piece chicken, 2 freaking wings, $4.99. Get the fuck out of here, bro. I can go to Sam's Club and buy the whole damn chicken for that much, but it is what it is, man. Something's going on. What is going on? Somebody's going to jail. Wow. Like a homeless person. Well, he doesn't have cuffs on him, but how many cop cars was that? 6? And here's one more coming. All for a homeless person. Great job on using your resources, guys. Looks like somebody left a trash bag right there in the middle for these guys. If it's true that they are, like people say they are, I'm not mad about it. I might even come back over here and take a shit myself. Alright, let's go check in over here. Alrighty, let's go check in down here. See what they say. I don't think they're taking in deliveries at this time, but that doesn't mean I'm not gonna try anyway. Well, we're gonna have to wait until the morning, but it's all right. The building that I was supposed to go to is closed, what the lady said. Super freaking nice check-in lady. And she mentioned how another lady that works here said, why do you explain all that to the drivers? And she said because they like to know, they want to know, which is true. So that other lady sounds like a bitch to me, but this lady right now, wonderful. Thank you so much. Temperature check, still good, 34.7. Alrighty, I got a green light, but I don't have a paperwork yet. I've had a green light for about an hour now. The bitch inside keeps saying she doesn't know how much longer it's gonna take. She doesn't know anything. Seems like the broker lied and my appointment was for 10:30 and not 9:30 like she told me. So I've been in this dock for 6 hours and 15 minutes. So if any of you bag shedding motherfuckers want to come here and take a shit in the bag and toss it in the parking lot before you leave, I encourage you to do so. Luckily, I have my own food, so I made myself some chicken and a couple eggs this morning. But if you don't have your own food, you're kind of screwed because they will not let you leave Bobtail. That's what she told me. I was like, what if somebody doesn't have a drink? Do you guys have vending machines? Yes, we do, but you are not allowed to use them. I'm like, what the fuck, man? Porta potty somewhere around here? I don't know, probably smells like a motherfucker because it's hot out here. So, yeah, I encourage all you guys, take a dookie in your truck and toss it in their fucking parking lot. Before I leave, I'm gonna go back over there and I'm gonna blow out my trailer on the grass. But yeah, do not come to Food Lion in Greenville, South Carolina. I know I will not come here ever again. But anyway, that's enough of complaining. Well, it's not really complaining, it's just stating the facts how it is here to warn other drivers who may be thinking about coming here. If you ever get a rate confirmation or something and you see that you're coming here to this place, just cancel the load, don't come here. Even if you're in a dock somewhere, you're being loaded and you find out you're coming here, just tell them to unload everything off the trailer before you leave the shipper. And yeah, don't come here. But anyway, thank you everybody for watching. I appreciate you guys. You guys stay safe out there and take care of each other. Look at this freaking truck, man. It's still clean. It's still clean, even though it rained a little bit here last night, but it still looks good. I am disconnected from my trailer, but I'm gonna go ahead and hook up to it, even though they didn't tell me to. I'm gonna go hook up anyway, just so I can get out of here as soon as... I don't have a load yet because of these motherfuckers. I didn't want to book anything. Most of the times, like I said before, I don't trust reviews always because pissed off drivers will leave a bad review for you. But this place, trust it, guys. Trust the bad reviews, bro. Fuck these guys.
Holy shit! The fucking gate started coming on me, man, for the train. What the fuck?